So, you are keen on knowing the gas mileage on new 2021 stock Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara? You have clicked on the right video. Hi everyone, welcome to Tushar Vlogs. You must be wondering why would I be interested to know the gas mileage on a stock Jeep Wrangler Sahara? But hear me out. So there are people out there who are looking to buy a new Jeep who want to know what the mileage does a Jeep give. The another reason I wanted to make this video was there are a lot of videos out there telling you the gas mileage on Jeeps, but they all are with 35-inch tires, 37-inch tires, lifted Jeeps. There are very few videos out there which tell you the gas mileage on a stock Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. There was another reason why I wanted to make this video about the mileage is because I'm shortly going to get a lift and a new set of rims and tires for the Jeep. So wanted to see what is the difference once you get a lift on and once you have bigger set of wheels and tires on. Now talking about the Jeep is 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. It's an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 2021 model. So before we jump on to the numbers, I just wanted to clarify there are few things which can impact your gas mileage. Those can be your road conditions, whether you are driving on a flat surface, whether you are driving on a hilly surface, what kind of fuel you put into your car, your driving conditions, how hard are you on the gas pedal when you're driving, and are you following the constant speed or not. But having said that, I just wanted to tell you guys, it's my daily driver, right? So I just wanted to let you guys know that what gas mileage I am getting out of it, and I am driving it basically 70% on the in the city, 70% in the city, and 30% I would say the highway driving. And it's normally between highway speeds here in Canada are 100 kilometers, so I would say I'm driving close to like 77 or 80 kilometers. Okay, so talking about mileage, the mileage I'm getting in my Jeep is around approx 12 liters per 100 kilometers. It was initially, when I bought it, it was initially 12 or 13 liters per 100 kilometers, but that has dropped, and I'm assuming it's because of the winter conditions here in Alberta. It's pretty chilly out here. You can see right now it's -7 degrees, but then yes, it has dropped a bit, but this has 11.5. This figure has been constant throughout. So thank you for watching my video. I know it's a pretty short video, but I just wanted to share with you guys the mileage, the gas mileage I'm getting with my new Wrangler, and wanted to take you through the journey. Hope you guys are liking it. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. It helps the channel go a long way. See you.